Have you ever heard of a RoboUP or seen a Lukos? In this video, we will look at some cool gadgets you haven't seen. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. AliSleep. Get the restful sleep you deserve with AliSleep. The smart pillow that's designed to help you stop snoring and get the best night's sleep. The advanced sensors detect snoring and gently vibrate to encourage users to adjust their sleeping position, while the built-in massage feature relaxes your neck and shoulders. Plus, the easy-to-use mobile app allows you to customize your preferences for an even more restful sleep. Get the perfect night's sleep with AliSleep. It is designed to reduce snoring and provide optimal airway alignment and comfort. The built-in massager helps soothe neck and shoulder muscles for deep relaxation. It is crafted with breathable hypoallergenic materials for a cool and comfortable sleep. Plus, the cover is easy to remove and washable for added convenience. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to AliSleep, a better way to rest. Number 2. Power Station. This is one of the smallest, most efficient, and fastest recharging power stations in the market. It will keep you moving in case of an emergency. It is also safer and more reliable than other products. Because of its high-quality automotive power cell and short charging time, you could charge your P15 power station directly with AC. It weighs just less than 1 kg. It's perfect for camping and traveling wherever you need power. 9 different types of sockets to meet 99% of the usage power needs, takes up less space, smaller and lighter than extension cords. Super EVSC intelligent inverter technology ensures optimum conversion efficiency. Number 3. RoboUP. Upgrade your lawn care with a RoboUP. The smart robotic lawnmower that takes the hassle out of mowing with its advanced air technology. It can detect and avoid obstacles, giving you a perfect lawn every time. Forget about trying to keep track of a perimeter wire or adjusting cutting heights. RoboUP handles it all for you. This is the perfect choice for lawn care with its ultra-adaptable design that requires no perimeter wire. Cut through even the toughest grass with its strong and durable blade. Navigate easily on inclines of up to 45 degrees. Perfect for all types of terrain. No need to worry about manual operation as RoboUP. It comes with a built-in GPS system and can be controlled remotely through your mobile app. Recharge in just 90 minutes and get up to 3 hours of battery life. It's a great way to make lawn maintenance easier. Number 4. G-Case. This is the ultimate gaming case for your Nintendo Switch. It holds both your console and games, so you can conveniently take them anywhere, anytime. Stop wasting time organizing your games, consoles, and cables in all your different bags. This is an efficient solution that helps you take your game anywhere with style. This is one of the most compact and comfortable Switch gaming cases out there. It's also powerful and versatile. Plus, it's loaded with features like 5-hour battery life with a fully modular design for easy replacement. It comes with 3 grip sizes to suit different hand types, so you never have to worry about it accidentally dropping or damaging your mobile screen again. Low latency for a smoother and more responsive gameplay. It even comes with a detachable Joy-Con case for quick access and protection. It's more than just a controller. It's a must-have for gamers and enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Birdfy Nest. Watch your feathered friends from home. Use the Birdfy Nest to keep an eye on your birdhouse in real time with its live video feed, which also has temperature and humidity sensors. High-quality materials here, so get ready to observe and care for your birds like never before. You can experience the joy of nesting and hatching in a whole new way and capture every moment of your feathered friends with this. The HD cameras keep an eye on your birds in any light condition with its infrared night vision. Monitor your birds from anywhere at any time. With the built-in Wi-Fi module and remote monitoring app, customize the angle of the birdhouse for optimal viewing with its 360-degree adjustable bracket. Enjoy complete peace of mind knowing that the nest is protected from rain and humidity, ensuring safe and stable operation. Number 6. Lukos. Be unstoppable now with Lukos. You can now be productive and engage in entertainment at the same time with an ultra-wide 4K resolution display and advanced multitasking features. The future of multimedia entertainment is here with lightning, quick response time, and amazing color accuracy. This is the ultimate 4K theater experience that offers a crisp, crystal-clear display with faster response times and higher color accuracy. Split screen allows for seamless multitasking on one screen, so you can watch movies while working on your novel. Connectivity options are also infinite with HDMI DisplayPort USB 3.1 Type-C Thunderbolt. The central screen with the 4K theater keeps another one of your screens open for work or other tasks that require a lot of hands-on multitasking. Number 7. Foldable Purifier. Get the cleanest fruits and vegetables possible with Soundwave's ultrasonic purifier. This revolutionary technology uses ultrasonic waves and reactive oxygen to remove up to 99% of agricultural chemicals and other contaminants, leaving you with healthier, cleaner food. Plus, the temperature controllers make it easier than ever to get the perfect clean every time. Start enjoying cleaner, healthier meals today with Soundwave's ultrasonic purifier, portable and foldable. It is designed for convenient transport and storage. Take it with you to any room, office, or location. Cleans the air and surfaces with ultrasonic technology, removing up to 99% of bacteria and viruses. Rechargeable battery that lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge, offering long uninterrupted usage with a noise level of less than 30 decibels. Perfect for quiet spaces like bedrooms or offices. It comes with a built-in timer and automatic shut-off function for safety and peace of mind. Number 8. PacMotor. Paddle through the water like you're on a voyage. The PacMotor is a kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding innovation, an invention that's controlled by a joystick and battery-powered propellers, letting you experience the water like never before. The adjustable strap is made with strong fibers that ensure that you can even paddle in rough weather. The frame is designed to fit 90% of the kayaks out there, no matter what shape or size they are. With the wireless Bluetooth technology, it's easy to control your kayak while you're on water. Not to mention this product is compatible with marine batteries, so it'll be ready for any outing. Number 9. Nebula Cosmos. This is your personal comfortable home theater laser tech for increased efficiency for hours on end without strain for the comfort of a larger screen. Format a big screen and fork technology, give you the best theater experience and bring the show straight to you fully lit and true color accurate screen that will put you in the scene. Enjoy beautiful and bright images with minimal energy usage with the ergonomic handle that enables you to comfortably hold the projector in your hands to eliminate back and neck strain. Turn any space into a theater powerfully immersive 3D soundscape perfect for movies, gaming, and music. 5-star Dolby surround sound quality AIFI technology lets you hear your speaker's potential maximized without distortion or clipping. You can even share with friends and family. It's time for something amazing in your life to bring the theater home with Nebula Cosmos 4K Theater. Number 10. GoFetchr. This is the ultimate way to play fetch with your dog. With a wireless controller, you can launch a ball at any time from any angle as many times as you want for hours of entertainment. Keep your dog entertained all day with this high-tech ball launcher. Perfect for pet owners who want to mix up their game of fetch with the press of a button. You can effortlessly launch balls across the yard, or you can use the automatic mode. Motion sensors that will automatically detect movement to reduce accidental discharge. The most fun way to play fetch with your dog is now available, combining the latest battery technology that can be fully recharged in just 3 hours. These balls will keep on going and going for hours on end. No more bending over to pick up balls from the ground. Just switch it to automatic mode and let the machine do the work. Number 11. AliSleep Phone Holder. One of the most frustrating things is having a cell phone while sitting on the toilet and trying to balance your phone on your knee. With AliSleep Robo Arms, say goodbye to dropping your precious phone. The 3M adhesive and powerful suction works on any surface, making these handy stands perfect. It's the only robot arm in the bathroom with a foldable design to fit any space, no matter how small, for the best viewing experience. Simply snap your device on this unique stand and you can angle your device at any desired position. A wide adjustable window for the best viewing angle, so you'll never have to squint. Use it for texting, streaming videos, or whatever else you need to do. Stop putting off important tasks with AliSleep RoboArm. You'll never miss an appointment message or video again. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.